Thanks for checking back into the Redcat University. We are going to work on the Gen 8 platform today by installing the optional aluminum front outer portal housing set. This set comes with both left and right housings. They are machined aluminum and it comes with the hardware. Let's get these parts installed. After removing the body and wheels, take a flat-bladed screwdriver and remove the hex from the axle, followed by the cross pin. Using a box wrench and 2mm hex driver, remove the screw that holds the steering link to the housing. Remove the two kingpin screws that secure the housing to the C-hub. Now remove the portal housing from the axle. Be careful to keep track of the shoulder bushings. Using a 1.5mm hex driver, remove the screws that secure the front cap to the housing. Pull the top of the housing off and remove the internal components so we could transfer it to the new housings. To get some of the bearings out of the housing, you may need to take a small flat blade screwdriver and pry them out of the housing. The others can be pushed out. And now remove the three screws that secure the bearing to the housing. Slide the axle and bearing out of the housing, and clean any of the parts if necessary. And use the new screws from the kit to secure the bearing in place. It's a good idea to add thread lock to all steel screws going into aluminum. Next, press the bearings into the housings. Then place the gear and axle shaft into the housing. Now is a good time to re-grease the gears if necessary. Now place on the cover plate and secure the cover plate with the new screws. And again, it's a good idea to use thread lock on these screws as well. It's time to slide our new housing back in place. Make certain that these shoulder bushings are back in the C-hub and slide in the housing. And secure the housing with the new screws provided with the kit. Again, add thread lock to these screws. Then reinstall the steering link and hardware. And of course, repeat the process for the other side. Remember to install the wheel pins and wheel hexes. These new aluminum housings look great and they are really strong. Alright, thanks for checking into the Redcat University. You can find links to the parts we used today in the description below. While you're there, please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you back here soon for another Redcat Racing how-to video.